Certainly. Here's a detailed exploration of some memorable views across China, the United States, and Kashmir, highlighting their remarkable natural beauty and iconic landmarks. China, a vast and diverse country, offers a plethora of breathtaking landscapes that captivate travelers from around the world. Among its most memorable views is the dramatic karst topography in Guilin. This region is famous for its unique limestone formations, which create an otherworldly landscape of towering peaks and verdant valleys. The Li River meanders through this scenery, providing a picturesque backdrop that has inspired poets and artists for centuries. The combination of the river's mirror-like surface and the jagged, green-covered karsts creates a view of unparalleled beauty and tranquility. Another iconic site in China is the Great Wall, one of the most famous landmarks in the world. Stretching over 13,000 miles, the Great Wall offers panoramic views of the rugged terrain it traverses. The wall snakes through mountain ranges and deserts, and its ancient stones evoke a sense of historical grandeur. Walking along the wall, especially in areas like Badaling or Mutianyu, provides a glimpse into China's rich history while showcasing the stunning natural landscapes surrounding it. In addition to these, the Yellow Mountains, or Wangshan, are renowned for their spectacular views. The mountains are celebrated for their unique granite peaks, ancient pine trees, and hot springs. The sunrise over Wangshan is particularly awe-inspiring, with mist enveloping the peaks and creating a mystical atmosphere. The landscape here has been a frequent subject in traditional Chinese paintings and literature, illustrating its enduring appeal and beauty. Turning to the United States, the natural splendor is equally impressive. The Grand Canyon, located in Arizona, offers one of the most awe-inspiring vistas in the world. The sheer size of the canyon, with its immense depth and colorful rock layers, creates a dramatic and humbling view. The Colorado River, flowing through the canyon, adds a dynamic element to the scene. Whether viewed from the south rim or the north rim, the Grand Canyon provides a breathtaking experience that is both grand and intimate. The United States also boasts the iconic skyline of New York City, a stark contrast to the natural landscapes but equally memorable. The city's skyline is punctuated by architectural marvels like the Empire State Building and One World Trade Center. The view from observation decks, such as those on the top of the Rock or the Empire State Building, offers a panoramic perspective of the city's bustling streets, diverse neighborhoods, and the distant horizon. At night, the city transforms into a sea of lights, showcasing its vibrant energy and endless possibilities. In the realm of natural beauty, Yosemite National Park in California stands out for its dramatic landscapes. The park is famous for its towering granite cliffs, such as El Capitan and Half Dome, as well as its majestic waterfalls, including Yosemite Falls and Bridal Veil Fall. The verdant meadows, ancient sequoia trees, and clear blue skies contribute to a serene and awe-inspiring environment. Yosemite's diverse scenery, from alpine meadows to rugged cliffs, provides numerous viewpoints that captivate visitors throughout the year. Moving on to Kashmir, this region is renowned for its stunning natural beauty and picturesque landscapes. The Kashmir Valley, nestled between the Himalayan and Pir Panjal ranges, is known for its lush green meadows, serene lakes, and snow-capped mountains. Dal Lake, with its tranquil waters and charming houseboats, is a focal point of Kashmir's beauty. The lake's reflection of the surrounding mountains and the vibrant colors of the house